Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I'm back down in my home theater, and I recently published a video of a tour and kind of the step-by-step process to putting together a home theater in your house. I got a lot of views on that, and so I want to do more videos on that, but I'm just not sure on what you guys would like to see. So if you guys could do me a favor, either if you're subscribed or if you aren't, hint hint, if you aren't, if you could subscribe, leave me a comment down below on what other things you'd like me to go into detail on, because I'm just not sure at this point where you'd like me to go further on this home theater, because I have plenty of things that I can do, but I'm just not sure what you're interested in. So do me a favor, leave me a comment down below if you're looking for more information on something or whatever that may be, and I'll do a video on that. So again, leave me a comment down below and make sure you hit that subscribe button, and have a great day.